Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Elizabeth and welcome to today's video. Thank you for clicking on this one. I really appreciate your time. I really appreciate you clicking the video. So guys, before you go any further, like it, share, just take a moment to share this video. So yeah, I appreciate every support guys, and I can see you guys every single time on my video. Let's quickly do the laundry. It was on a Saturday. I woke up very early. I had to attend something before Neroboluka in the morning. Then I had to go there, and my friend came, the one who bought me pots for the birthday. If you didn't see the video, please go back. You can see the thumbnail for pots. That's where the video is. I will not link it here. So the friend came for that ceremony also, and we had to chill later on. Luckily, they started in the morning. When we arrived there around 7:30, they were already to the finish line of the program, so we had to go take the person there and come back. You know, the language on this YouTube language, I don't know which language to use, so bear with me. If you understand what I'm talking about, people lost their loved ones, so we had to go there also for support. Then from there I had to go do laundry. I was not tired because they finished very early and it wasn't that hot that day, so they finished very early. I had to go home also to do laundry, and I started doing laundry around 10 o'clock. By 1 o'clock during the day I was done. Went to the shop and I had to cook menadana. What is that? Chicken feet maotwana. I had to cook maotwana because the nearby mini market, they sell chicken braai pack. I don't like braai pack. There are certain meat inside that I don't prefer, so I opted for maotwana. I cooked them, and she likes a fall of bone maotwana. The meat must fall off the bone, so cooked exactly the way she liked it. We chilled, we talked, we talk about people, we laugh. We brainstorm, we do everything. You know, when you are with your friend, the deep one, the one whom you share everything, like no stone is left unturned. That one, yes, we talked the whole day. It was a lovely day, so I really enjoyed spending the time with her, because she resides in Pretoria and I'm in Polokwane. Our friendship has been that strong. I don't know if it's because of the distance. Maybe we don't see each other, but we talk to each other each and every single day. If you don't talk, it will be maybe once in a week, but we talk each and every single day. So that's how deep we are. So let's quickly do the laundry. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed to it. And yeah, we are doing laundry motivation, cleaning motivation, and grocery hauls and some lifestyle. If you like that kind of content, consider yourself becoming a member of this channel by subscribing to it. Like, watch the videos from the beginning to the end, guys. So I was thinking I will do the VLOGMAS. Guys, I told you in October, when I was doing Vlogtober, that I will be doing VLOGMAS. No, it's not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen because I'm still tired from Vlogtober. No one does a full-time work and full-time YouTube with pressure. I'm under pressure here at work, and I cannot pressurize myself on the YouTube videos. Yes, I promise to be doing VLOGMAS, but I can't. I'll just be uploading my videos straight as they are, like on my upload schedule date, just like that. But I will be titling them with a VLOGMAS title somehow, so that they can fit in also, even though it's not an everyday thing. So yes, do enjoy this content. I won't be doing VLOGMAS. Maybe I will do it next year. I would have recovered Guys, uploading every day is not a child's play. Those who are doing YouTube full-time and they are uploading 2-3 videos a day, like entertainment channels, the one that we see here in South Africa, they are uploading a lot of videos every day and each and every single time. So no, I can't. Nah, I can't. I am working full-time 8 to 5. When I come back, it's already late. I need to prepare food and all that. Bath. Sometimes I clean. The camera. The camera is just too much this time. Let me take a break and recover from the October madness. It was just too much. So let me just relax now. And I will be enjoying you guys, your videos of VLOGMAS. I do watch each and every single person that I am subscribed to. Even though I don't comment sometimes, but I really do engage with your videos, guys. So yeah, keep us entertained as I will keep you entertained partly and motivated partly, like Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So where was I? I think this load was the first load. I'm taking it out. No, this is the second load that I'm taking it out. I had 3 loads that day. The laundry was just a lot. It was 2 weeks laundry. The past weekend I didn't do laundry. And as I'm recording this video, I didn't even do laundry again. This video has been in my phone for the past 2 weeks. So I skipped another week without doing laundry. So yeah, let's carry on doing laundry. I am using Omo washing powder, vinegar, and my fabric softener is from Stay Soft, the Lavender Sensational.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah, lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a ride. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, Savannah.
I get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight, what a time to be alive. Just you and I, just you and I. Only you can put my fire out. You can turn it all around. You can lift me off the ground, so we can fly again, so we can fly again. I've been trying hard not to go out of my mind. And all I need right now is for you to stay the night. But if you keep saying that you've got to leave, then I'm gonna be alright. As long as you tell me that we ain't running out of time. Thinking about all the things we did tonight, what a time to be alive. Just you and I, just you and I. Only you can put my fire out. You can turn it all around. And you can lift me off the ground, so we can fly again, so we can fly again. Winter's here, the snow is falling on our car as we drive for miles to that little town called home. Tinsel hangs from every corner of the house, and Christmas lights shine bright through the cold evening fog. And I hear sleigh bells bouncing off the houses, the church choir sings aloud. Feel my heart melt when you walk through those doors for Christmas. You're all I want. All I wanted was you. Christmas cheer and drinks with friends we haven't seen for a while, since I've been to that little town called home. Pine tree dressed up with every ornament we got, and stockings hung and overflowing from the top. And I hear sleigh bells hear